from the base level to the top surface. Now, the new product, again, is a new entry in Indian market for us. We did a lot of product research that what kind of product will be suitable for this kind of application. We do a lot of research for this kind of equipment to understand the actual customer needs and not just follow the competition and bring a product which is already there in the market. But we want to deliver something which is actually the needs of the application requirements and what the customers need. Introducing our next product, Mini Asphalt Compactor.
Yes, everyone. This
All new 6029E.
the time for the experience, the difference. Ladies and gentlemen, girls with the boys together. Time for 6029E Mini Compactor.
Popularly known as Mini Tandem. Introducing our Mini Asphalt Compactor 6029.
सपनों को मिलाएंगे
With a width of 1 meter that suits the customer requirements, city roads, whether it is shoulder, footpaths or institutional areas development. Equipped with Mahindra 25 HP engine and operating width of 1 meter. This product is suitable. This product is suitable for all the rural road requirement and preparing the shoulders on national and state highways. Powerful engine, efficient hydraulics, a large water tank capacity, the best in class again, with ergonomic platform, LED display cluster, so that the operator can easily understand that at what function they are doing and at what speed they are operating. A reliable frame, proven, validated for the Indian conditions. Equipped with Mahindra engine, pumps from Danfoss and inline and Pocklane. All the reputed, validated products we have used in this equipment. ROPS canopy, wide opening engine hood and a vibration drum with the latest advanced technology of steel balls. So this was the product that we were missing from the compaction line, and we are always trying to upgrade our road equipment line with new products, but the products not following the competition or not following the current industry. But what are the exact needs of the customer that need to be understood, understand and then fulfill as per the requirement.